Hello again, everyone. This is Joe Henches with Beyond the Chart, your source for exceptional video analysis of stocks, ETFs, and indices so you can become a better trader. This is a stock chart analysis of Rackspace. We're going to take a quick look at this. Let me look at all the trading on Rackspace. Okay, I've got this all the way back to 2008. Here's the low in early 2009, and it looks like we had a major five-wave move up. It culminated back up here in January 2013, then had a three-wave corrective move here. And this move, what I'm calling a wave 2, primary wave 2, corrected 71%. Now, it doesn't look like it on semi-log. This is a semi-log chart because of long-term price action. Most of my charts actually are always in semi-log. Keep everything proportionally, percentage-wise, in proportion. So point-wise, 71% correction. So now it looks like, you know, this trend line here we're looking at to see if it broke. And it did back in here in August, September last year. It broke up, came back, pulled down again. And I think that what we've got is one kind of an ABC running flat, and then got a third wave, fourth, and a fifth wave move up for a first intermediate wave. So I thought we were taking off on another third primary wave up, and that this was the first intermediate wave. Well, this peaked in April. Then we got this really, really sharp pullback. Now, a lot of times wave twos, you know, like this wave two, can be a fairly sharp, you know, pullback. Now, the thing is, if this is a wave 2, it can't go below the beginning of wave 1. I'm talking about intermediate wave 1. All right, so really the load is down here. Let me blow it up a little bit so we get a little bit of better picture of this move. Get crosshairs. So the actual start of intermediate wave 1 is low of 26.18. So really that's the next uncle point. And let me bring this down here. That's where this needs to be. And this looks like support came in here at this low, 30.92, and 3 days ago we hit 30.91. So support came in. I'm looking that potential support could come in down in here also at this low. And then, of course, if it were to exceed this, then this scenario, if it were to drop below this point here, then this whole scenario of bullishness and starting it is out the window. But right now, it looks like, you know, buying is coming in. They had an earnings announcement that people seem to like a little bit. We'll see. And I know they increased the buyback on the stock up to $1 billion. I'm not sure what it was. Also, the headline was increasing to $1 billion on the stock buyback, and it's up trading around 33%. Now, you know, that percentage-wise, that's a nice little move, but on a chart, this is still in a very strong downtrend. So the key is this is going to have to get out of this downtrend mode, get its legs underneath it, get some support for this to turn. Right now, it's not showing a turn. So that's the scenario. I'm keeping the bullish count of intermediate wave 1 and an intermediate wave 2 pullback until and unless this area, and let me go ahead and draw a line across that, and until and unless this line breaks. And really, then that tells you for sure that this is not in the bullish mode anymore. Now, unfortunately, that has got quite a ways down before that proves itself out. But that's really all you can do at this point, and just look to see if we start to get a turn and get some support coming in. All right, that's the picture on Rackspace. Everyone have a great Tuesday. We'll talk to you soon.